In this video, you'll learn how to verify your Wecasa account quickly and efficiently. Verifying your account is an essential step to access all features and services offered by Wecasa. Begin by opening your email application on your device. This could be a web-based email service or an email client installed on your device. Ensure you are connected to the internet to access your emails without any interruptions. Once your email application is open, locate the inbox folder. Look for an email from Wecasa which should contain the subject line indicating account verification. It's important to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your inbox. After finding the verification email, open it to view its contents. Inside, you should see a button or link labeled Confirm My Email. Click on this link to initiate the verification process. This action will redirect you to the Wecasa. Once you click the confirmation link, a new page will load indicating that your email has been successfully confirmed. This page may take a moment to load depending on your internet speed. Ensure that you see a confirmation message before proceeding. Next, you will need to log into your Wecasa account again. Return to the Wecasa login page and enter your credentials, including your email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, there is typically an option to reset it. After entering your information, click the login button. This will take you back to your account dashboard. At this point, you should have successfully verified your account and can now access all available features. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.